Is here and that is office. What is this? Yes, we're here and that is office. We're giving companion to Dada, huh? No? Because Daddy needs to go to work Saturday. So, ayan nga, bigla ang pagkikita-kita after namin pumunta sa work vacation. Ayan, kasama namin si Beth at saka si Mama and si Ishan at saka yung asawa. So, tinry namin yung fish nila at saka yung shrimp dito sa Bukatir. Ayan, kita nyo naman yung shrimp at saka yung isda. Ang laki niyan. Sobra yan. Halos di namin maubos. Ayan, try babe. Kasi subukan nyo yung shrimp. Yan nga guys, so excited na kami lahat kumain, gutom na rin kami and papakita ko sa inyo yung in-order namin. Nag-order na kami ng rice, tsaka ng soup at tsaka niya parata, so papakita ko sa inyo. Thank you, okay, I think
keep this below the prawns.
Ishan, look at mommy. Ayan nga guys, sa sobrang busy namin sa pagkain, hindi ko na na-videohan yung before and after. So ayan, pumunta na kami sa labas ng Albucatir. Ayan po yung kanilang, ayan po yung sa labas nila. So pwede ka maglakad-lakad dyan. And ayan nga, ayan ang happening ngayon. Did you enjoy?
Sabi niya, Ma!
Did you enjoy the fish, anak? That day?
It's walking and walking, It is tired.
See, where's Betchay? We are all flying. I'm so full. I have feeling so. I think I have food coma. See, this is Bukatir. Bukatir. See, these two are walking there. This is the Bukatir.
Hi guys.
Hello guys. At ayun nga guys, tingnan mo naman itong dalawa naglalaro. Kasi si Ino gustong umakyat. So, ayan po. Well spent ang aming day off at nag-enjoy kami lahat. So, sa susunod na next vlog po ulit. Hanggang dito na lang. Bye! Thank you for watching. Bye guys!